At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to define where clause and how to work with where. So, firstly, where is a special keyword in SQL that allows us to narrow down the data or the records or the rows that you are working within a database or a table. So, let's try using select with where. Where can be used to narrow things down. For example, we have this Progademy database. Let's first use this database. Right now I wanna list tables here. We have only one table as employee. Let's first select all the rows which we have here from employee table. We have 7 records, right? 7 records and 7 employees. So firstly, let's suppose my this select command is showing all the records as of now. Let's suppose I wanna see what all employees are intern in my company, right? So for what I will do, I will just select all the columns, and I will be using where. And what is the column? It is saying as intern current status, so I will be filtering it out where my current status column is intern, right? So this way I can filter it out. So here in such conditions we will be using where statement or where clause, and we can filter out the uh, column name, right, with some value. So we can filter using any kind of equals to symbol, like we can uh, or if we are using any kind of a numeric column, then that also we can use here. So firstly, let's see what all employees are intern in Progadmy. So we have only one employee that is who is intern, that is Shalu Kapoor with age 30, and she is intern. Now if I wanna see only the and last name and age. So instead of this star, what I will be using, I will be using first name, last name, and age. This way I can search. So instead of the complete table, it will only show me the intern with first name, last name, and age. Or we can add here the current status column as well for more visibility and clarity. Right now, let's say what all employees are ex-employees, meaning who all have left our company. So this is the ex-employee spelling we have. Let me just copy this uh, copy value in editor. Okay, leave it. So firstly, like I have pasted it here, and I will be following this condition, and instead of intern we can type here ex employee. So here it will help me with ex employee records. Only one record we have, one person we have with ex employee who has left our company, Kajal Arora, with age 24. Now what we can do is we can find out other ways as well. For example, where age is greater than 21. What all employees we have with age greater than 21? Let us select ID as well. So all the employees we have are above 21, or we can just change the filter to distinguish. So we have three employees with age greater than 25, right? We can also change this condition to equals to one employee with age equals to who is employed yet as of now, right? So one more thing I wanna tell you is this particular value is case insensitive. For example, let us call out this statement as of now, intern, right? If I just change the change the caps of this instead of capital letter, let me convert it into small, and will it execute? Will it give us the result or not? So I just wanna show you this way. Yes, it is giving you the result, right? And let me just change it some other way as well, right? I have changed the capital let small to capital of some characters. It is still showing me the value, right? So this value is case insensitive. If you change the capital letters to small or small to caps, it will work. One more thing to highlight is where statement or where keyword is not limited to working with select, we may use where to update or delete as well, right? So let's come back in the further tutorials and we'll see how other functions, other statements, and other clauses work